There is a big difference between the standard plate and the mini plate. The mini plate is way faster than the standard plate. For you not to see the difference, you're probably doing something wrong on your settings. So let's go over it and see what you're doing wrong. You can see this is my standard plate. As you can see, my plate is too big, so it needs to be small so that I can make sure that it's the mini plate. So for you to select the mini plate, you have to come to settings, click on settings. Also you have to be careful right here which says machine. As you can see, it says Sonic LS Plus and Sonic CS Plus. You have to select the correct printer because this printer looks similar to each other, and the name also looks similar. This is the LS Plus, this is the CS Plus. So you have to know which printer you're using. If you're using the CS Plus, make sure you click on the CS Plus. If you're using the LS Plus, make sure you click on the LS Plus. You have to click on the correct printer. So me, I'm going to be using the CS Plus. Click on the CS Plus. Where it says place type here, click this arrow. Then you'll see the mini plate and the standard plate. If I'm going to be printing on the mini plate, I have to click on the mini plate. After clicking on the mini plate, I have to click where it says print. I have to make sure that I click on the correct settings that I'm going to be using. I want to use the crown resin, ceramic resin. So I'll come here and make sure I click on the correct resin, then click exit. As you can see, my plate already changed. I already have the mini plate. So you have to be careful on when printing with this plate. If you're going to be using the mini plate, make sure you see the mini plate here on the. I hope this video was very helpful. So I hope you saw the difference between the mini plate and the standard plate. The mini plate is way faster than the standard plate. Please don't hesitate to follow us for more.